Hello guys, welcome to my Spanish class. Okay, today we're gonna cover 3 lessons. We're gonna learn 3 different types of vocabulary. So we're gonna start with the colors. Okay, so the color, this one right here, is the color purple. In Spanish is morado. Purple es morado. Black es negro. Green es verde. Blue es azul. Rojo es red. Anaranjado es orange. Amarillo es yellow. Blanco es white. Gris es gray. Rosa es pink. Alright, and now let's move on to the lesson 2. The lesson 2 is the numbers. Okay, this one right here, 0 es 0. 1 es 1. 2 es 2. 3 es 3. 4 es 4. 5 es 5. 6 es 6. 7 es 7. 8 es 8. 9 es 9. And 10 es 10. 1 and 0 equals 10. 10. Alright? Okay, let's move on to the lesson 3. The lesson 3 is the family. Okay, we're gonna learn the family members in Spanish. Okay, father es padre. Mother es madre. Son es hijo. Daughter es hija. Brother es hermano. Sister es hermana. Aunt es tía. Uncle es tío. Boyfriend es novio. Girlfriend es novia. Wife es esposa. Husband es marido. Cousin es primo. Grandmother es abuela. Y grandfather es abuelo. So, padre, madre, hijo, hija, hermano, hermana, tío, tía, boyfriend, novio, novia, esposa, marido, primo, abuela y abuelo. Okay, that's it for today. So be prepared because tomorrow we're gonna learn a few different things. Thank you.